We are pleased to show you the 2024 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.